English Stories for Kids, Listening Practice Episode 1. Hey friend, something super exciting happened in the big green forest today. A shy little turtle lost something very special. Want to help him find it? Let's jump into this magical story together. Once upon a time, in the big green forest, there lived a shy little turtle named Timmy. Timmy loved his shiny red backpack. He carried it everywhere. Inside, he kept his favorite book. Every morning, Timmy walked to the sparkle pond to read his book. One sunny day, Timmy woke up early. He put on his red backpack and started walking. "I can't wait to read by the pond," he said happily. But then, oh no. When Timmy got to the pond, his backpack was gone. Timmy looked under a big rock. Nothing there. He looked behind a tall tree. Still nothing. "Where's my backpack?" Timmy cried. His heart felt heavy. That book was his favorite. Suddenly, a friendly squirrel named Sammy scampered over. "Hey, Timmy, why are you so sad?" Sammy asked. Timmy sniffled and said, "I lost my red backpack. It has my favorite book inside." Sammy's eyes sparkled. "Don't worry, Timmy. I'll help you find it," he said. So, Timmy and Sammy walked through the big green forest together. They looked under bushes. They looked near the sparkle pond. But the backpack wasn't there. "Oh no," Timmy said. "Maybe I'll never find it." But guess what? Sammy had an idea. "Let's ask Owl. She sees everything from the treetops." So, they ran to Owl's tree. "Owl, Owl," they called. Owl opened her big eyes. "What's wrong, friends?" she asked. Timmy explained. "I lost my red backpack with my favorite book. Have you seen it?" Owl flapped her wings. I saw something red near the sunny hill. Let's go check." Timmy, Sammy, and Owl hurried to the sunny hill. And there it was. Timmy's red backpack was sitting under a big flower. "My backpack," Timmy shouted, so happy. He opened it, and his favorite book was safe inside. Timmy hugged Sammy and Owl. "Thank you, friends. You made my heart happy again." Sammy grinned. "That's what friends do." Owl winked. "Now, go read by the pond, Timmy." And so, Timmy walked back to the sparkle pond with his red backpack. He sat down, opened his book, and read happily all day. Are you loving this story? Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next magical one. Let's see how well you listened, friend. Here's a quick quiz. Question 1. What did Timmy lose in the story? A. His toy. B. His red backpack. C. His lunch. Correct. B. His red backpack was missing. Question 2. Who helped Timmy find his backpack? A. A bear. B. A squirrel and an owl. C. A frog. Correct. B. Sammy the squirrel and Owl helped Timmy. Wow, what a fun adventure in the big green forest. Thanks for joining Timmy and his friends, my friend. Want to hear another magical story? Subscribe now so you don't miss it. Comment below and tell me what you loved about Timmy's story. Like this video and share it with a friend for more fun. See you in the next story, friend. Sweet dreams or happy adventures ahead.